Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the PBA or power board assembly on a Samsung washer. You can hear the beeping, that's the giveaway that's the issue. It is on a Samsung washing machine model, you can see there, WF45H6300AG/A2. And that 01 is important when you're ordering a part number for it. So, to start, as you already heard, it's beeping. And after being plugged in for so long, it is giving me this error code on the center here, AE6. So when you go look that up on the owner's manual, I'll show you in just a sec online, it basically means that the PBA is not communicating properly with all the other circuit boards. You can see it beeps, obviously won't start, won't even let me change settings, nothing. All I can do is turn it on and off. So let's go ahead and get that switched out and get this up and running. So this is an owner's manual from online, a troubleshooting section. You can see here that AE6, communication error between the main and the inverter. When you go and search that trouble code, that's what pulls up in the owner's manual. Now to start, obviously you're going to unplug it, make sure there's no power because you are going to be messing with the electrical on this. You can remove this back panel. There are two screws here. I'm not sure what size they were because I bought this used and the previous owners didn't explain any of this to me, but obviously they had tried to fix this themselves. So I don't have screws on there. They're likely just little Phillips or potentially little 8mm ones. But this pops up pretty easy. Basically you have to pop it up. It's easier with two hands. You'll pop it up and then it just slides out there. And you can see pretty quickly your PBA here. It's actually, the left one is the one that I'm going to replace. There's three main circuit boards. This is actually two separate ones here, and then there is one obviously behind everything here. I would start, this is all that I replaced, and I will link the part that I replaced on Amazon. I only replaced this one and it has started working for me. So to get it out, you're going to, there's two screws here, I already took them off. It is a Phillips here and here. They just hold this plastic in. Essentially this will slide over and out like that. The cords are all connected in there. So I'm going to turn the light on so you can see a little better. So as you can see, there's a lot of cords connecting everything. You can kind of see different plastic pieces that were holding it in. I did have to clip a single, you can kind of see it right there, a single little piece of plastic in order to actually maneuver the cords enough to get it out. But with that clipped and a couple of those undone, those little brackets there, you can just barely wiggle this out. You kind of have to move the drum just a bit. It's still just a little tight. Get past everything. So basically it pops out like that. These covers pop off here and here. I'd already disconnected that, so I didn't have it on super strong. But basically, you're going to disconnect these. You can see little tabs here and here. When you push them out, it will let this piece pop off. And then you're just going, so make sure that the part that you have matches your current part. And then you're basically just going to disconnect 1, 2, 3, 4 different wires and just pull the wiring out of here. So go ahead and do that next. So it's super simple. I already connected everything back in. You'll see you have little tabs on each one that you need to push in order to pull it out. Make sure the old one, this is the old one I have here because I already replaced it. Matches the new one there. Everything looks pretty similar, pretty much the same. So go ahead and just put everything back, and we need to test it to make sure that it actually works. So I got everything reinstalled, all my water plugged back in, drain, power, moment of truth, power it on. Actually lets me switch everything. Wasn't letting me do that before. Do a self-clean. Wouldn't do that before. So anyways, that is how you replace the PBA on a Samsung washing machine. Hopefully this was helpful, and thanks for watching.